Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you very beautiful and trendy the blunt bob haircut ideas. The blunt bob is a very clean and sharp haircut. The haircut is straight in the end without tears. This gives the hair a strong, bold and modern look. It is simple but very classy. This haircut is perfect for people who like neat and polished style. It looks good on many face shapes and works for both casual and formal looks. Let's talk about what makes a blunt bob special. First, in the end of the hair and cuts are straight. They are no feathered or uneven ends. This makes the hair look thicker and healthy. If you have thin hair, a blunt can make your hair look fuller. Second, the length. A blunt bob is casually cut between the chin and the shoulders. A chin length blunt bob looks very bold and stylish. A shoulder length blunt bob looks soft and elegant. You can choose the elegant length that suits your face and comfort. Now let's talk about different blunt bob ideas. The first style is the classic blunt bob. This is a straight haircut with equal length on both sides. It looks very clean and professional. It is perfect for office meetings and everyday wear. The second style is the blunt bob with middle part. A middle part gives a balanced and modern look. It frames the face nicely and looks great with straight hair. The third style is the blunt bob with side part. A side part adds a little softness and volume. It is a good option if you want a gentle and feminine look. Another popular style is the short blunt bob. This is cut above the chin. It looks bold, confident and trendy. It is perfect for people who like short and strong hairstyles. You can also try a long blunt bob, also called a lob. This length is just above the shoulders. It is easy to manage and looks great on almost everyone. Now let's talk about styling the blunt bob. The blunt bob looks best when it is straight. You can use a straighter to get a smooth and shiny finish. You can also add a little wave for a soft and modern look, but keep the ends straight to maintain the blunt style. Using a shine serum or lighter oil can make the haircut look more polished. The blunt bob is also easy to maintain. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.